What impact does fibre have on our health? On the PMC website, you'll find this article on the health benefits of dietary fibre, wherein it was emphasised that in our modern day 21st century world, chronic diseases predominate. Underlying much of this chronic disease burden are pathological pathways that implicate inflammation and metabolic dysfunction, including insulin resistance. In recent decades, much evidence supports an important role of our lifestyles in the development of such inflammatory and dysmetabolic processes. For example, our sleep, physical activity, and diet. Such lifestyle factors also contribute towards weight gain and obesity, which represent a particularly important contributor to chronic ill health, including over 50 medical conditions such as type 2 diabetes, hypertension, obstructive sleep apnea, and cardiovascular disease. Global obesity prevalence has tripled over the last half a century, with current rates of obesity topping 650 million and overweight affecting 1.9 billion people. The PMC website performed a narrative review of the current literature. The search terms were dietary fibre and metabolic health. This article warrants far more than one TikTok video. However, the article does include a brief summary of the health benefits of introducing both soluble and insoluble fibre into your diet. Metabolically, you'll receive improved insulin sensitivity, reduced risk of developing type 2 diabetes, and improved glycemic status and lipid profiles. Your gut health improves with more viability and diversity. You lower the risk of cardiovascular disease, lower the risk of depression, and your colonic health improves. The problem is our modern day diets are impoverished of fibre. Based on cross-sectional data from the UK National Diet and Nutrition Survey between 2018 and 2014, based on a 4-day food diary, it was shown that just 30% of calories originated from unprocessed foods, with the majority of calories, 56%, coming from ultra-processed foods, and that number is increasing. With such evidence, ask yourself these two questions. 1, why are the food industry removing fibre from our diet? And number 2, what can you and I do to introduce that fibre back into our diet?